If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Robinhood, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various features. Step 3. Access notifications and subscriptions. Scroll down to find the Notifications or Subscriptions section. Here, you will see a list of any active subscriptions or recurring charges associated with your account. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Identify the subscription you wish to cancel. Tap on it to view more details and options related to the specific charge. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Robinhood account. If you have further questions, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.